Hello you lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Andrea and this is Andready Official. You can also jump onto my Insta handle, which is also Andready Official. Well, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel, show me some love, and also hit that bell notification, as every time I upload a new video you would be notified, and I would love to hear your comments in the comment section as well. So without any further ado, let's jump into this video. It's going to be a mini haul of DMart products which I absolutely recommend, and I think you should get it because it's an absolute steal for some of this. But yeah, I'm not going to show you my entire grocery list because that's a long list, guys. I'm just going to tell you what I like and what I think you should try. So let's start with this. So guys, I got these really cute, I think these are supposed to be flower pots, right? But I'm going to use them as makeup holders because, you know, the makeup holders that I checked online, the ones that I loved was like for $6.99 and I didn't want to spend that much. So I got this for like 29 rupees. I'm going to put them makeup brushes right in this. This is what you get for 29 rupees. Perfect for me. I don't need to show anybody anything, so it's cool. And then I also got this adorable Momo, steamer. So you can make momos with this. I think I'm also gonna pakao my friends and family to try and get me to have some idlis because I don't really like to cook, but I love to eat. So I think it's gonna be absolutely perfect. And look at this, you guys. It is absolute stainless steel and the material is good. There was another one on for $5.99, but this retails for $6.99. I think the original pricing was about, I think like 1,199. You guys, $6.99. It's awesome. The quality is good and it's really nice. It's got this strainer, as you can see, this steam thing. You can also steam your vegetables. The other item that I really think you guys I recommend is the copper pot. Can you see this? This is by Dr. Water and its health is priority. I'm sure you guys agree that in this day and age everything comes in a plastic bottle. So I think you could just transfer it into this container, and it comes with this container as well as the stand, and you get this for like, I paid only 1,299, guys. This is amazing. So if you are going to DMart, please get this one. And yeah, this was a better quality than the Jal one because the Jal one was bent and I didn't like it. And look at this, you guys, it's so cute. Look at the stand. It comes with a stand. It's got a tap. It's fully functional. And it's got the area you can put water from. It's really easy. It's lightweight as well, so it's not heavy. It's not very flimsy, but it's not like heavyweight either, right? It's just like, it's calm chill out type, so it will work perfectly. And I washed it, so it's nice. My dad washed it. And okay, and these are the few products that I really recommend, and I use them during the winters. Like my hair goes dry during, I mean it's still dry, but I haven't used much product because I just didn't use it. But normally I would use this if I'm going out for my curls because it's really dry curly hair that I have, wavy now because sometimes it's curly, it has a mind of its own, you guys. And I even use this on my face today. Okay, when I don't find my moisturizer, I sometimes use these things, and it's the Himalaya baby lotion. I'm partial to baby lotions. I know they say that's got fragrance. I didn't feel there was any fragrance. I would recommend this to you guys. It's cheap. And this is the Nivea deodorant. I use this sometimes when I've, especially during those days where you think you don't smell so great, even if you just showered. This is the one, you guys. It's very easy and it smells so fresh. I really like the smell. This is the Mamaearth's onion shampoo. I know a lot of people have been raving about it, so I thought I'll give it a try, and I got it in DMart. I happened to see it, so I impulse purchase. Oh my god, you guys, you're gonna love this. So if you can see this, this is the lavender potpourri, and I got it only for 199 rupees, and I think it's a steal for this particular deal. It's amazing. Smells so good, and I love the smell of florals, lavender, fruity smells. I absolutely love it. Actually, I like all good smells, so, but florals. Now that I said lavender, let's talk about the funny product that I purchased. I purchased these 2 bottles and I bought it for like 160 rupees for 2. It's huge, you guys. I mean, it does the job. It's a floor cleaner. I think when you do pocha and all those things, you can use this, and it's, I mean, 80 rupees for this big bottle, and it smells good. You guys, I smelled it, and you can just watch me. it smells good. It's just like a normal floor cleaner. It's not like something really exclusive out of the world. It does the job like any other product would. So it's like Lysol, no? So yeah, I got it for a good deal, so I used it. It's nice. Oh, I love this thing. So sometimes when I'm very lazy, I used to use this for my face and my skin. Like now you can see it's got bad again, so I need to use this because aloe vera really helps my skin, and it also can be used for my hair because I do use it for my hair as well to set it when you have these flyaways. So if you want, you know, it's a good product and it's really cheap. It's a good product from Wow. The other thing I really loved, I've always wanted this, so you can see it's already 99 rupees, you guys. And forgive my I did a makeup video, so I have some swatches still on my hand, and these are so cute. You can store your masalas in them, and when you're trying to organize your kitchen, dude, 99 rupees, I'm not mad at all. It's like 109. I didn't think you get so many 4 glass bottles for 99 rupees. I recommend you buy this, and it's worth a good buy. So now the other things I purchased was these cute knickknacks. So you can see this, you guys, it was only for 49 rupees. I mean, I even broke one accidentally, by the way. And the lady was so sweet. She didn't charge me for it. I offered to pay. She's like, madam, nahi, aise ho jata hai, to aap chinta mat karo. And you guys, look at the colors. They're so pretty. So this is like this floral, no sorry, what's the coral kind of shade. Okay, so I know it's so cute, right? I really like this. I mean, there's only 3 of us in this house and my dog, so that's 4. But yeah, look at the colors, dude. I mean, it's amazing. I love this one and the floral one, if I'm being really honest. I know my sister likes blue, so this is for her. By the way, this is the Mars eye pencil. It's still strong. And chai lovers, if you're a chai lover like me and not a coffee person, doesn't agree with me. So I love tea, even if it's just green teas or any herbal teas. You even do a ginger and give me in water. That to me is a tea, by the way. So I absolutely love teas. I think this is so cute, and the reason I got it was one of these YouTubers was talking about this smaller, you know, mouth I don't know, cups that keep the drink warm. And there are times I just forget about my drink, and I think this is absolutely wonderful to drink in, considering your drink you know, will not get cold fast. So I think that's beautiful. You also get a coffee one in a different shade, but I really like that. Talking about teas, I'm partial to green tea, so I love anything to do with green teas in general, Earl Greys, but my favorite is honey lemon green tea, and I also tried their mint one, which was good as well. So I recommend. It's very cheap, really nice tea as well. Who doesn't like chocolates, guys? Look what I got myself. Okay, I was really hungry. I had not eaten all day, so no wonder this random shopping, right? I know, I came up with it. I even bought mustard oil, so don't ask me, you guys. And I love hazelnut, but you know what? I'm actually going to diss this product a little. So I got the roasted almond one, and that was amazing, guys. It had so many nuts in them, roasted almonds. But this one had like literally 4 pieces I could count on the bar, and I was disappointed because I know hazelnut is expensive, but I wouldn't mind paying a little more if you just put the nuts in my chocolate, because I don't like chocolates without the nut content. So I wish, please, if you're listening, please put some nuts into this. Unboxing of this.
It helps a lot.
It helped me with my other boxes that I couldn't open. As you guys can see, I'm not going to cut them, so this helps me cut through everything. Alright, you guys, talking about funny items, last not the least, oh, the ladies, we want this, don't we? Guys, I got literally like 1, 2, I don't know if you can guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 toilet rolls for, guess the price. No, not 300, no, not 250, for 200, you guys. I got this for 200 rupees. For this entire thing, I think it's a steal. So if you get a chance and you get the same deal, I would recommend you buy it. Otherwise, there was an origami one which was like 8 pieces for 200, which I was also partial to because the material looked softer. But this is not a bad thing. So this is something I got for my dad. So my dad loves to draw, and he used to draw a lot, but he's not been. I thought, you know, this would be amazing. This is something my dad drew, you guys. I know it's so cute, and he did it in like just under 15 minutes. So I know he just started after years, I think maybe after decades. But yeah, I mean, and I also got these pencils and they were really cheap. I got 10 of these, so they come with the eraser. I should have gotten better pencils, but this was what was available at DMart. So this is what I got, you guys, and it was hardly for like 40 bucks. I think 50 rupees, 40. Yeah. So that's all with my haul. Let me see if I missed out anything. No, we're done. And don't you guys forget, oh, this is so cheap. I got like 109 for all of this. I loved it. So thank you so much, you guys. I hope you had a nice video. Don't forget about this mug. Please get this mug. You won't regret it. I promise you. And this was 99 rupees, you guys. Just 99. And if the lady at the DMart Center is as good as mine was, I was, you know, when the glass broke, I was so scared. I was literally in cold sweats. And the lady was like, ma'am, theek hai, kuch nahi. And I was like so embarrassed. Can you imagine breaking a glass in front of everybody? Oh, that happened. But I was lucky. I mean, that was so sweet. So this is the face micro towel that I really liked, and this was like 79 rupees for 4 of these, and they're really nice. Instead of using tissues or, you know, those wet makeup wipes, which are not really good, so I think this is better. And it's really soft after you wash your face to use this. It's beautiful. I think it's amazing. You should buy these for 79. Look at the colors, guys. It's beautiful. And the quality is really nice. I mean, it feels amazing on my skin. So thank you. All right, thank you so much for your time, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and please do comment. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. And yeah, thank you so much, you guys. Let me know what other things you would like me to post about.